Dijon.
What we cooking today, guys?
Well, we're cooking a honey glazed ham, eh?
Let me make sure.
The ingredients are half a cup of butter, 1 cup brown sugar, half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of nutmeg, pinch of cloves, pinch of allspice.
And cloves is not garlic cloves, as we learned. It's this ground stuff right here.
Not garlic. Ground. Cooking spray and fresh herbs and fruit for garnish.
What's next?
I think we got like a
Cinnamon. How much cinnamon?
put a banana.
How much cinnamon?
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Instructions: heat the oven. Add butter, brown sugar, honey mustard, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and allspice into a pan. Heat it up.
How are they gonna know?
Simmer it 5 minutes. Put it on the ham.
What's next?
Pinch of nutmeg. Bake the ham for 2 hours. Pour the remaining glaze over the ham. Increase the temperature to 400.
How much like is it?
Bake for 20 minutes.
Just a pinch.
Then eat that thing. You're gonna do it. You gotta pinch it, not dash it.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, that's inside your hand.
Oh, we got Thai juice in there.
Oh.
Quick pause on the cooking. We're going to be, what are we doing now?
We gotta hammer that.
We gotta hammer the thing into the thing.
Yeah, but we don't have a hammer. Well, I guess we gotta go get a hammer. Who sings Still Fly? Alexa, who sings Still Fly?
Still Flies by Big Timers.
Yeah. Play it, Alexa. Play it.
It is crazy.
No, it's
One
not.
time I swallowed a little bit of my mouthwash and
And then
Simmer that thing.
Chubby Chaser.
For 3 to 5 minutes, you're gonna simmer that stuff, and then you're gonna eat it. Just like this.
Don't eat it. Imagine.
Bro, taste
So the oven's preheating. We waiting on the stuff to finish simmering, and we can put on the ham. Put the ham in the oven. Where'd your scissors go?
Bro, they freaking disappeared.
They underneath the tinfoil.
Oh my gosh, Ty.
Oh, they're right here.
Ah! Excuse. Do another little cut.
Baby, that's okay. Baby, that's okay.
Now you're gonna take your glaze and lightly glaze it. About half of the glaze is gonna go on the ham right now, and the other half, according to the recipe that I'm making up as I go, if you're not following, do the other half later. That's about half it. Tight rail the match.
Nice and tight. Nice and taut like a
Nice and tight like a tiger. You don't want it to be loosey like a goosey. You want to be nice and tight like a tiger. Austin Powers. Austin Powers. How about now?
Oh shoot, that top thing's gotta come out.
And now you place it in the oven and you say, good night, sweet prince.
All right, 2 hours, let's go. All right, it's been 2 hours. We took the ham out, and now we're gonna put the rest of this goulash on there.
Goulash.
Uncover it, 15-20 minutes, put it back in the oven, then what? Take it out.
Put it in for 400 and then take it out, serve it.
Oh,